So we're building this bike for Bert's Black Widow Harley Davidson dealership, and Bert King asked me to build him two bikes actually. And what he likes is this wide tire, the 360 tire, which we don't really do too often anymore. There's a lot involved in this because we're using the new 131 Harley motor, which Harley gave me two for each bike, and they're both still in the crate, which are complicated as far as wiring and stuff like that. But if you look on this side here, because the tire is so wide, you have to have a jack shaft over here to bring it out far enough to put a chain on the transmission here, and then to go to your drive chain. The frame here was built from Rolling Thunder, Rat from Rolling Thunder, which is a crazy frame here. The gas tank is made in two pieces, and what I have over here is, because it's the Black Widow, made a web here. It's not going to be, this bike is not going to be crazy with webs like we did the Spider bike. What we're going to do with this bike basically is one of the reasons why I used solid wheels for real estate. So the paint on it's really going to be crazy. We used a Springer front end that has the shocks on the lower legs, custom handlebars, custom light brackets, and pretty much the frame is made, all the fabrication is made in one piece right through the fender, and it's a rigid frame. So the frame, it's a crazy frame, and a long bike. 21-inch 5.5 on the front, which usually is a 21 2.5. So that's a big difference in the size of the tire. So I think that pretty much it. I'm going to put an air breather here, and if anybody got any suggestion, if they want to look at our site and see different breathers that we made, you can just send it in or whatever. But that's pretty much for now. I think next thing we're going to do is we're going to take it, bring it down to the frame, and then we'll get back with you, when we start putting it back together and get the paint done. Boom.